Dr. Sherin Zafar, SPOC NPTEL, UBA Coordinator, Jamia Hamdard. This module that we'll be discussing deals with smart disaster management, harnessing AI for risk reduction. Talking about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence will be utilized in this module to explore the transformative role in mitigating and managing natural disasters. It is important to understand that the module will be delving into cutting-edge technology by reshaping disaster response from early warning system to recovery planning. As AI is very important to provide predictive analysis, so the disaster management issues will be resolved by using the artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. Talking about disaster management, the specification of disaster management encompassing preparing for, responding to, and recovering from natural and human-made catastrophes. The unpredictability and the natural events poses significant challenges for effective disaster management and response coordination. The resource constraint specifies the limited resources and the coordination difficulties across the various agencies that are handling and managing various types of disasters that are happening all over the country. How AI, specifying that the role of artificial intelligence in transforming disaster response. It's important to understand that machine learning algorithms uses the vast data sets that will predict disaster patterns and optimize the response strategies. Also, we'll be utilizing the computer vision technologies that will enable rapid damage assessment and real-time monitoring of disaster-affected areas. IoT will play a very important role because the devices will provide crucial real-time monitoring for early warning system and disaster monitoring. Talking about AI roles in disaster risk reduction, it will be utilized for risk assessment, early warning systems, and hazard mapping, which are very important to specify and to prepare for potential disasters effectively. Predictive analytics in action will help in global flood monitoring and also will help in earthquake prediction that is already started in Japan. So talking about in Indian perspectives, these early AI detections will provide seismic activity patterns, providing valuable warning time for earthquakes and even weather patterns to predict floods risk globally. Talking about AI in disaster response, it will be very important for utilizing AI for real-time management and also for resource optimization. The wildfire detection by using AI and drone sensors will detect early signs of wildfires, improving the response time, which is a very important requirement at this hour. Talking about artificial intelligence for recovery and resilience, the recovery and resilience plays a very important role in case of any disaster. So talking about damage assessment, where the AI-driven computer vision will help in lots of recovery. Also, the supply chain optimization will play an important role because AI will optimize the distribution of aids, ensuring critical supplies that have reached the various areas which are suffering from disaster. Long-term planning will play a very important role because this will specify the AI mode support, reconstruction of the planning based on past disaster patterns and also on the climate data. It will be very helpful for detecting AI use in future AI in disaster management by using various types of autonomous system, climate change resilience, also in the smart cities integration. Even AI will be utilized for the urban infrastructure for disaster mitigation, which is a very important issue because the smart cities and the smart countries and the smart environments are being used for AI as one of the solutions for the development of these smart cities. Then talking about this particular module, this will be a very effective modules, and students who will be learning this modules on the completion of the course will understand how AI can be used to predict, manage and reduce the disaster risk. Also, they will be studying about the various machine learning techniques to real-world disaster management challenges by using some real-time data sets and data cases. Also, there will be a lot of ethical, legal and social implications will be discussed in this module. Also, the most important specification that the career opportunities and the future opportunities in AI-driven disaster management will be a very, very important aspect and a very, very important study and preparing the students for a role in this rapidly evolving field. The future in terms of careers in AI-driven disaster management will be a very important part of this modules because they will help in preparation of AI risk analysis. Students will be, when study this course, will be helpful in development of the disaster response engineers. They also can be working in roles as humanitarian data scientists. Also, there will be a lot of vacancies of students in terms of AI system architect for crisis management, in terms of smart cities development. Also, since we'll be discussing about the ethical issues and the policy matters, they can also be utilized for career opportunities and policy advisor for AI in disaster management. This will be an extensive 40 module structure that will provide a thorough, comprehensive look at AI in disaster management from foundational knowledge to advanced application and integrates career guidance. That will be the main focus that will be specified in this particular module, and it will be preparing students for both academic as well as future professional opportunities in this field. The evaluation methodology at the grading stream will deal with assignments of 20%, practical of 20%, some field-based case studies and simulation environments we'll be discussing. Final exam will be of 50% and others, which will including some quiz and other type of assessments, will be of 10%. So thank you all, and do connect for the various types of NPTEL courses, and this